Hi, I'm Dawn Davis, and this is your Central Nervous System Reset Program. Over the next 30 days, we'll share space and I will share with you practices that will help reset your nervous system so that you can arrive feeling grounded, centered, and ready to take on any day, not frazzled by midday or depleted at the end of the day, but fully charged and open to receive your life. The majority of the practices have been researched and documented in peer-reviewed journals so that you can be confident that what you're doing is based in science. They have been shown to lower cortisol, lower anxiety, lower depression, enhance mood, a sense of well-being, and soothe your ventral vagal nervous system. To increase your chances of success in this program, I have lowered the bar to commitment so that you're only practicing 10 to 15 minutes a day. They're bite-sized nuggets so that it doesn't feel overwhelming to do this work. You'll see that there are 13 unique practices that I rotate over the 30 days. This is so that you can benefit from repetition and create your own mastery over the practices. I've created a comprehensive schedule for you to take the guesswork out of it. So all you have to do is just show up and your program will reveal itself to you. Practicing every day will deliver deep results. We know from studies on neuroscience that when you do something daily over several weeks, it creates new neural pathways so that your mind gets the message that feeling more relaxed and calm and energized is where you want to live. Some of the breathing practices I'll share with you are a little more advanced, but I'll always give you a demo first and options to take it down a notch. Like any program, if you feel dizzy or nauseous while practicing any of these practices, please stop and rest. I've also created an assessment for us so that you can see how you did from day 1 to day 30. You can report on your own mood and energy and sleep levels every day, or you can do just day 1 and day 30 and see what the shift and transformation is that you've created by embracing this program. Also, this program gives us the option to chat with one another. We can do so through the chat function on the Mighty Networks platform. This might be a way for some of us to increase our accountability and also just to connect to other like-minded people. Resetting your central nervous system is in your control, and it's hard to do without a comprehensive plan. I have created that comprehensive plan so that you can succeed at this and you can reap the benefits of investing in yourself. I've taken all the guesswork out of it and I laid it all out for you so that it's just easy. Just show up and hit play. So congratulations on your investment in your well-being, in your sleep, in your mood, in your relationships, and in your sense of self. Let's get this party started.